How to record and add voiceover in CapCut. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your CapCut application. Then first import the video that in which you want to voiceover by recording the audio. Simply add it. Wait for it to load, and once you reach in this interface, what you will have to do is go to audio. Now you will see an option of record. Tap on it. Now, in order to voice over, what you will have to do is press and hold, and it will do simply speak, and your voiceover will be saved to your video. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.